Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in today's video we have this 2022 Mazda Cx-30 and we're going to do the side chrome delete installation for this vehicle. So as you can see, this is how it looks before doing the installation on the side doors. It's just a regular chrome panel, and this is how it looks after the installation. So we use the gloss black material, that way it matches the color that the vehicle already comes with, and it also gives it a more sportier look. And also to finish it off, to see the difference with the matte and the gloss color of the vehicle. If you like the product, link for the product will be linked below. But with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. So before we start with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the panel. So all we need is water and baby shampoo mixed together in a spray bottle. Once you have your solution, spray it onto a clean microfiber towel and remove all the contaminants that the chrome panel may have. And also once you're done cleaning the panel, make sure that everything's completely clean and dry. That way the adhesive on the film is able to tack down to the panel. So once we finish prepping the panel, now we can start with the installation. With this one, you can start by aligning the film right on the edge here. Make sure you have enough coverage to cover this section of the edge, and just use this lower section of the panel as a guide in order to align the film to the panel. So once you finish placing the film, grab your squeegee and start securing it to the panel. Take your time to ensure that you remove any air bubbles underneath the film. And then once you're done, we're going to apply heat to help the adhesive on the film activate faster. So now you would just grab your heat gun, apply heat all over the panel just to make sure that the film starts tacking down more faster to the chrome. And then once you're done applying heat all over the film, we could trim off the excess material from the top section. And once you're done trimming off the film, we will apply heat. The same steps that were done on this front door, you will repeat it on the rear door since they're both the same when it comes to the installation. And then we'll move on to the quarter window panel. Okay, so when it comes to installing this piece, just place the film on the top here and on the lower section. That way you're able to align this section of the film to the curved section here. So make sure you're going to have enough material to cover the curve and align it to the panel. Once you have coverage all over the film, start aligning it to the panel. So it should cover here and then finish it off on top. Lift the film carefully and finish it off. Should be just like that. If you do encounter small fingers like these, to remove them, all you need to do is apply heat, and then with your finger or with your squeegee, you could tack them down. So just apply a little bit of heat around the areas where you see your fingers. Let the film cool down a little bit, and then you can use your finger or your squeegee to start tacking them down. And then around this curve, we're going to apply a little bit of heat. That way the film is able to tack down to this curve and it doesn't lift over time. Okay, and once you're done securing this whole section, apply heat to the rest of the film. That way we're able to tack it down and secure it and help the adhesive activate faster. So once you finish securing the film, all you need to do is use your squeegee to make sure everything stays tacked down. And now all you need to do is just double check the surrounding area of the panel. If you see any film that's a little bit excess, you would just trim that film. So it just depends where you have that excess material, and then remove it. So the last thing to do once you finish with the installation is to post heat the entire panel. So all you need is your heat gun and apply heat on each section of the panel that was worked on. Take your time with this step to ensure that you help the adhesive tack down to the panel. And then once you're done with this step, you're done with the installation. Thank you for choosing Bogar Tech Design. As a small business, your support means everything to us. If you loved your product, please drop a review. If you have questions or issues, don't forget to message us via email. Once again, thank you so much for the support from our family to yours. So that concludes the installation video for the side Chrome Delete installation for the 2022 Mazda Cx-30. We hope that this video helped you guys out with the installation. If it did, don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any of our upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.